Hello everyone. In this video, we've created a comprehensive how-to instruction for using Midjourney. I'll walk you through the process of signing up for a free account on Midjourney, uploading your images, and setting up a personal server so you can work comfortably with this neural network. I'll also give you a ton of awesome features and some awesome prompts. Let's head to Midjourney to register once you've poured yourself some coffee or tea. How to sign up? Go to midjourney.com and select Join the Beta. We've been moved to Discord. A PC or smartphone can be used to install the Messenger Discord. We create a Discord account for you, or if you already have one, log in using your login credentials. I'll log into my Discord account, which I already have. You must click on the link that Discord will give to your email after registration in order to validate your account. You may choose to operate without your own server by not doing this, but it will be necessary to construct your server. Costs. We receive about 20 to 30 photos at no cost. Therefore, if you want to produce a large number of photographs, it is best to purchase a paid subscription. You can create images for 200 minutes and as many generations as you want in relax mode for $10 a month. $30 gets you 15 hours and infinite generations in rest mode. $60 gets you 30 hours of fast generations. You will need to register fresh accounts on the Discord main page each time if you want to utilize it for free all the time. How to use. We are interested in rooms called newbies. We choose any of them. There are people like us sitting here who create their pictures, and we can see what they created. Under the terms of Midjourney, all people can use our generated images. We may also download and use any images generated by other users. You need to enter a request in this field to generate a picture. Enter /imagine. This is the command to create a generation. Then we enter the prompt. This is exactly the request. Write something here. At first, it doesn't matter to us what to write here because first, we must sign a user agreement. Here, need to click Accept. Alright, now we can already write our requests. We write /imagine prompt and, for example, car. So, while our request is being processed, let's talk about how to find requests. How to find my request. While we wait, other users throw in their requests, and our request will be lost somewhere behind. Keeping track of your requests is easier by clicking on this inbox icon. Here on the tab Inbox will be all your requests. We wait until our request is completed and click on Jump, and here is our request. In the top line, we have an upscale option for each of our 4 generated pictures. U1 corresponds to the upscale of the first picture, U2 to the upscale of the second, and so on. On the bottom line, we have variations. If we want Midjourney to make a variation of the third picture, we must click on D3. Also, we have this icon. If we click on it, Midjourney will generate other variations for us. How to save a picture. If we like the picture, click on it and click Open in Browser. In the browser, right-click, select Save Image As, and save our image. If we need to save only one version of the image, we first need to make it upscale. For example, if we want to download only the second option, we need to click on U2, wait for the upscale to be ready, click on Inbox, we see that our upscale is ready. Click Jump to go to our picture and open this picture in the browser, then save it. After creating the final work, we can still make some additional variations. We can also redo the upscale, so that other people's user requests do not interfere with you, and it's convenient to use, it is better to create your own server. By the way, if you buy a paid subscription, then the Midjourney bot will be in your friends, and you will communicate with him to date, but this is also not as convenient as working on your own server. How to create your own Discord server. To create your own server, click the plus button to add a server. Create my own for me and my friends. We can add any picture here. Here we can change the server's name. Click Create. Next, we need to add the Midjourney bot as a friend. To do this, you can go to one of the rooms. We're already in the room now, so we'll click on the member list, click on Midjourney bot, and then click Add to Server. Select the server we created. We press Continue and click Authorize. You'd get this error if you have not verified your email after registering. I'll now confirm my email and we will continue. That's it, the server is ready. And now there is no one here except you and Midjourney bot. Work in freely feed. If you don't want to create your own server, confirm your email for this, and you do not want to spend time looking for your requests in the feed, then there is the next option. You can open some of the old feeds where there are no new requests and chat with the bot. For example, let's find an inactive feed in which the last activity was a few days ago. Let's open it. There are no new requests here, so we can safely make our requests here. Midjourney setting. Now let's talk about setting up Midjourney. To do this, enter /settings in the query string. Press enter. Here are our settings. By default, the 4th version of Midjourney is used. This is the best version to date, so you should not change it. Niji mode is an anime mode. MJ Test creates more creative, whimsical pictures. MJ Test Photo, this mode creates more realistic pictures. The default is base quality, but we can choose high quality. It should be taken into account that in this case, it will cost twice as much in minutes and will be created twice as long in time. Line width styles. The first style, low, is a more creative or wackier picture style, and style very high is more realistic. Line width upscales. Regular upscale is the best option. We not only preserve the quality, but also add some details when the picture is enlarged. For light upscale, the picture will be more blurry in the output, and beta upscale, the picture will be a little larger, but there may be artifacts, blurring, etc. The last line with settings is modes. Public mode, what you create is in the public domain, even if you work on your own server. Your pictures will be displayed in one of the rooms. All your created images are owned by the community and can be used by anyone for commerce purposes too. The private mode is available at the steepest subscription of $60 a month. In this case, your work will not end up in public rooms. Remix mode lets you add your queries to remix the suggested results. Fast mode, this mode spends minutes of paid subscriptions. And relaxed mode, an unlimited number of generations, but with some kind of expectation of results. This mode is used when you run out of minutes. This mode also requires a paid subscription. Command info. Let's look at another command, info. Type /info in the request field. This command displays information about our account. Here we can see the status of our subscription, modes, remaining hours, etc. Where to get prompts first, we can walk around the rooms, look at other people's prompts, and write out what we like. Here is an example of such a prompt, or like this. We can take these prompts and test them. We can also visit the Midjourney community and look for cool pics there. You can sort recent or top. You can also view your work here, and to get full access to the gallery of works, you must subscribe to a paid subscription. There are also prompt helpers. I will give some examples and leave links in the description if you need it. You can come and try it. Let's take this prompt helper as an example. Here you can select the topic you are interested in. I will choose the top category. Let's choose a few prompts. Now we click on our selected prompts. Here we click on Copy. Now back to our bot in the query window. For example, write cat and paste the copied prompt from the prompt helper. Press Enter. We'll have to wait for a little while until Midjourney generates our pictures and we get the result. There is also a GitHub website that can help you with prompts. Here everything is conveniently divided into styles and themes, and you can see the approximate results for these prompts. Prompts can still be received using ChatGPT. How to upload your image. We also can upload our picture. To do this, click on the plus sign, Upload a file. Let's choose an image. Press Enter. Next, you need to click on the image and copy the URL of the image. Then we type ao/imagine prompt. Insert a link to our image, and through the space you need to write your requests. Let's copy our last queries and let's paste them here. That is, we say what we want and in what style. We are waiting for the image to be generated, and here is such a remarkable monkey turned out. Blend mode. Midjourney has recently added an interesting blending mode. In this mode, we can mix some pictures like a monkey with a snake. To use blend mode, type /blend in the query string. Let's choose two pictures, and let's upload a picture of a snake and a picture of a monkey. Press Enter. And we wait until Midjourney generates pictures for us. This is the cool result we got. Image orientation. I also want to talk about the orientation of images. In the 4th version of Midjourney, you can create multiple image orientations. By default, Midjourney renders images in a square orientation, but we can use horizontal or vertical orientation. Let's show you how it works. Let's copy our previous prompt. To set the orientation, you need to add the command AR3. 2. This is a horizontal image. And we see that the picture we get is more horizontal. AR2. 3. This is a more vertical image to the query string. Here are the 3 orientations you can use in the 4th version of Midjourney. Image weight. Let's talk about weight. If we enter the query sun cloud, then Midjourney will draw the cloud and the sun in equal proportions. And here we would like to specify the weight. To do this, we enter the request in this way. /imagine prompt sun, put a colon twice and write the number 2. Space cloud, twice a colon, and the number 1. The sun we get is equal to 2, and the weight of the cloud is equal to 1. You can do more or do less. Press enter. Now, according to such a request, the sun should be more than a cloud. Depending on your needs, sometimes it's better not to use weights, but you can always experiment with that. By the way, with the help of weight, we can try to remove elements we don't need by setting a value close to 0. For example, a picture was generated for us against which there is a face. You can try to remove it with the weight parameter using the face parameter value close to 0, for example, 0.5. Exceptions. There is a separate no parameter for exceptions. We can use this parameter if we fail to remove something using weight. Let's add it to our request, for example, add no black. Unfortunately, he does not always succeed, so you need to experiment. I hope our video was helpful for you and that your skills in Midjourney have improved significantly. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to avoid missing new interesting and useful videos. See you again in our next YouTube videos.